Hi friends, I am Zain and you are watching Code with Zain. Our last video was on building an audiobook in Python programming language. But today we are doing even like more different thing than building any other thing. I had been working on a platform, like not a platform, a library, JavaScript function library which has got 95 functions in it, which we can use to reduce our workload while writing JavaScript programs. So you can download it. It is totally free and it is less than 10 KB in size. You can also learn it. I have documentation on my website. So in order to download it, you have to go to cod with mozen.wordpress.com. So when you will go to that website, so this is my personal website. You can I do post some posts. Okay, here are loops and types, Python, cybersecurity, and I have more posts like suicide prevention, online education, and all those. And in the menu, you can locate classic JS here. So you can just click it, and yes, you will be redirected to classic JavaScript library. And here uh, this is the latest version of our classic version 1.0 library. So to download it, you can basically click here um, and yeah, you will be redirected to this page. So this is basically a Google Drive link, and here we have these files. So it's basically in a compressed form, so you can just hit download and it will take some time. Yeah, so after we have downloaded it, you can just open it like this, and for example right click on it and hit extract files. So let us say that I will extract it to the 1 second. I will extract it to desktop, and on desktop I will like on this fall 2016 or like anywhere, like yeah, let it be just in desktop only. So I will hit OK, and yeah, so I'll just hit yes, yes. So after I have extracted the files, I will probably see them on my desktop. And here you can see we have it, and this is our classic version 1.0 JavaScript library. So in order to use it, for example, I will create a new folder here. 1 minute. I'll right click and hit folder, and here I want to use this library. So how to do that? Just open the classic JavaScript folder and uh, move the basically 1 minute. Yeah. So what you can do is you can copy this library and paste it into the folder where you want to use it, and you can then open the folder with code or like any other thing, any text editor, whether it's Sublime Text, Notepad, or any other thing. So here you can see that you have successfully imported it, and this is basically encrypted in the hexadecimal code so that no one can basically steal it. So after that, for example, I want to create a new file index.html, and I want to use it now in my HTML. So to do that, I will go to this folder and I will hit open with Visual Studio Code, which is my idea, which is the IDE like with text editor which I use. Go to starter template and hit Control A and copy, and then like go back in this folder and open it. Well, I have already opened it and paste it there. Now here you can, if you click the follow link, and you can see that we have successfully been redirected to this file, our JavaScript library. So this proves that we have successfully gained access to other library. So after that, if you want to now access it, like for example, I'll write here script, and I'll write print one is one of the functions which I made. And if I write ZAIN, and if I open this with live server, or you can manually open it in your browser, and if I hit Control Shift and I onto the console, wait a minute, I'll refresh it. You can see here is written Zain. You have many functions, like one of them is um, math, like we can write, yeah, math dot prime verify, and like for example 13, if I write whether the number 13 is prime or not, so basically I have to print it out. So I'll write print 1, and simply you can see it's true because 13 number is prime. And this is how you can use this library. We have many more functions regarding in the library. So to explore and learn those, you can go to the website, and the place where you downloaded, just scroll down, and here is this view documentation. Just click it and you'll be redirected to another page from where you can download. So I have uploaded two parts of documentation. This is the part one, and I have almost explained how to use it, then some about 10-20 functions, and in part 2 we have more functions. Oh, sorry. Yes, so here's the part 2 of the documentation. You can simply download it, and here you can see these are 11 pages, so you can basically read them and learn whatever. Like, I have not completed all the functions yet, but yeah, more documentations are coming soon. So that's all for today. You can use this classic very easily if you know JavaScript, because because if you're using this library in JavaScript, the first knowledge you should have is to uh, know how to write JavaScript. So this is all for today. Thank you.